How to fix PandaVPN VIP membership not valid. 1. If you paid via PayPal, it might be because of the risk management of PayPal. Some orders need to be reviewed by the PayPal platform. It might take 1 to 3 working days. Your VIP membership will be extended automatically once the order is reviewed. 2. If you subscribe via iTunes, please sign in your account on PandaVPN iOS client and click the crown icon in the upper right corner, then click Manage Subscription to check whether you have successfully purchased a plan. If you have successfully purchased, just click Restore Subscription in the My Account interface. 3. If you paid through other payment methods, Alipay, UnionPay, Google Play, etc., please send us your account ID and order screenshot via online feedback in the app or email panda7x24@gmail.com. We'll help you check it. If you paid via credit card, please send us the last 4 digits of your card and the cardholder name.